In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable AI fields. First, sign in to your Airtable account and open the base where you want to use AI features. Select the table where you want Airtable AI to automatically generate or analyze information. Next, create a new field by clicking the plus button next to your existing fields. Choose AI as the field type, then select the type of AI output you want to create. Airtable AI can help generate text, summarize information, categorize records, or analyze existing content. After that, choose the fields Airtable AI should use as input. Add a prompt that explains what you want the AI field to do, such as summarizing a description, creating a short title, or extracting important details from a text field. Review the preview results and adjust your prompt if needed. Now, save the AI field and let Airtable generate results for your records. You can update the prompt or field settings anytime to improve the output and make the generated information match your workflow. Finally, use your AI-generated fields throughout your Airtable base. You can combine them with filters, views, automations, and interfaces to save time and organize your data more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Airtable AI fields. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.